5 ways to quit your job and get rich. There is no guaranteed way to quit your job and get rich quickly. However, here are 5 potential paths that may lead to financial success. Start a business. Identify a need or passion. What problem can you solve, or what do you love doing? Create a solid business plan. Outline your product or service, target market, financial projections, and marketing strategy. Secure funding. Consider self-funding, loans, investors, or crowdfunding. Build a strong team. Surround yourself with talented individuals who share your vision. Network and market effectively. Build relationships and promote your business. Invest in assets, real estate. Purchase properties to rent out or resell for profit. Stocks and bonds. Invest in companies or government securities for potential returns. Startups. Invest in early-stage companies with high growth potential. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across different asset classes to manage risk. Become a freelancer or consultant. Develop specialized skills. Focus on areas where you have expertise. Build a strong online presence. Create a professional website and social media profiles. Network with potential clients. Attend industry events and connect with professionals. Deliver high-quality work. Build a reputation for excellence and reliability. Create digital products or services. Ebooks, online courses, or software. Develop products that solve problems or teach valuable skills. Content creation. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast to attract an audience and monetize through advertising, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Build an email list. Nurture relationships with your audience and promote your products or services. Win the lottery or a similar windfall. Purchase lottery tickets. While this is a long shot, it's technically possible. Be prepared for the financial and psychological impact. Seek professional advice to manage your newfound wealth wisely. Remember, building wealth takes time, effort, and often involves taking risks. There are no shortcuts to success. Choose a path that aligns with your interests and skills, and be prepared to work hard and adapt to changing circumstances.